Afternoon. In this lecture, we will discuss biosynthesis and catabolism of acetylcholine. The acetylcholine is an organic chemical that functions in the brain and body of many types of animal as a neurotransmitter. A chemical message released by nerve cells to send signals to the other cells such as neuron, muscle cells, and gland cells. Acetylcholine is released into the synaptic vesicles of effector junction by an impulse across the neuroeffector junction. This leads to the action potential that is due to the difference in the ionic gradient of sodium ion and potassium ion equilibrium, and in other tissues it is mediated along with the calcium ion. Acetylcholine is synthesized locally in the cholinergic nerve ending by adenosine triphosphate ATP dependent system. Choline is actively taken by the axonal membrane and acetylated with the help of ATP and coenzyme A by the choline acetylase. Biosynthesis of acetylcholine. Synthesis of acetylcholine is done by cholinergic neuron. Acetylcholine is synthesized by choline and acetyl coenzyme A. Choline is synthesized in the liver by the reaction between serine and ethanolamine. The biosynthesis of acetylcholine depends on the uptake of choline via sodium-dependent carrier. This uptake can be affected or blocked by hemicholinium. Generally, L's form of serine in the presence of serine decarboxylase converted into the ethanolamine, and in the presence of S-adenosyl methionine and choline N-methyl transferase converted into choline, and further choline in the presence of choline acetyl transferase acetyl coenzyme as a donor acetyl donor converted into acetylcholine. So this is the process of synthesis biosynthesis of acetylcholine neurotransmitter. If we see the storage and release of acetylcholine, the highly polar choline is taken up into the exoplasm by the specific choline transporter. The newly formed acetylcholine is loaded into the storage vesicle by the vesicular acetylcholine transporter. Each storage vesicle contain about 1000 to 50,000 molecule of acetylcholine. Large amount of acetylcholine is also present in extravesicular cytoplasm, and acetylcholine is transported into the storage vesicle by a carrier which can be inhibited by a chemical agent called vasamicol. Next is the catabolism of acetylcholine. After the release and action of acetylcholine, uh, inhibited by the botulinum toxin, the function and effect of acetylcholine can be terminated by with the help of enzymatic hydrolysis. Means acetylcholine is hydrolyzed by enzymes known as acetylcholine esterase. Choline esterase rapidly hydrolyze acetylcholine into choline and acetic acid. If we can see in the diagram also, the choline esterase is also known as acetylcholine esterases. It only cause hydrolysis of the acetylcholine, which is the least form of cholinergic nerve terminal. Generally, cholinergic receptor are like transmembrane receptor and are chemical site at synapses through which acetylcholine exerts its action, like muscarine receptor and nicotinic receptor. So this is the catabolism of acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is generally hydrolyzed by enzyme acetylcholine esterase and converted into acetate ion and choline. Thank you.